Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on June 6th inaugurated the Nature Interpretation Centre at Phan Nonglait Park, which showcases and documents the rich flora and fauna of Meghalaya. Known as one of the few remaining recreational centres in Shillong, the park, previously known as Lady Hyderabad Park, got its new name, Phan Nonglait Park, in honour of the freedom fighter from Rimai village who fought the British during the period of Utirat Singh. The decision to rename the park was taken by the cabinet recently following demands from several social organisations like the Khasi Students' Union to change the name of the park to Phan Nonglait Park. In the context of a matrilineal society like ours, Phan Nonglait represents the grit and strength of our women who put up a stiff resistance against the Britishers to defend our people. The park's history dates back to 1937. Back in the day, the then Governor of Assam, Sir Robert Neil Reid, developed it from a marshland and he named it Lady Reid Pleasure Park in memory of his wife. It was later renamed Lady Hyderabad Park between 1947 to 1948 when Sir Akbar Hyderabad took over as the Governor of Assam.
For more news updates, subscribe, like and share.